Hello everyone, welcome to some basic tech, and today we are going to demonstrate about how you can access S3 on your EC2 instance. As of now, I can show you two things. First of all, this is my local system terminal and this is the EC2 user terminal that is with the EC2 instance IP. Okay, so if I am typing AWS S3 LS, I'm getting sufficient result like this. Bucket is created. Okay, and the user is already logged in here with the access key, and in this EC2 instance, I'm logged in with the EC2 user. So, and if I'm typing here S3 ls, it is asking me to log in. Okay, because the same user that I am using here, Krakow, is not logged in here, and that is the main concern. We are not able to get this similar result on both the locations. Okay, so what you have to do, either you need to log in the same user, or you can provide role to the EC2 instance, so the EC2 instance can directly get S3 accessed. So suppose we are going to implement IAM role or role policy based on instances. Let's leave it the username. Okay, let's talk about the policies. So what you have to do is, first of all, just go back to your EC2 instance, and this is my EC2 instance running. In the action sections, click to security, modify IAM role. Okay, once you are here, you can see no IAM role. Click to create new IAM role, and here we have to define. Okay, so if you are good with the JSON, you can type, and if not, then the easy way is to just type S3, click to S3, and here based on your requirement you can define the permissions. So we don't have time right now, so I'm going to select all the permissions. Okay, and similarly choose the resource. Once you click S3, just choose the resource, all resources. This is all going to be based on your requirement. As of now, I'm just demonstrating, so I'm choosing all the resources. Add resource. Okay, now the permission, I mean the error is showing that is specifically for the particular region, not for the things. Like you can see AP South 1 only, so I have granted permission for the particular region. That's the reason I'm getting this error. However, you won't receive some errors. Okay, so create role. Okay, I missed one thing, that is the instance role name. So you can just type demo s3 ec2 role. Okay, now just click to create, and it should create. Once it is created, you can see demo s3 ec2 role is already selected. Just update the IAM role. Okay, once it is updated, you can go back to your EC2 instance and just type the same command, and probably you should see the same result. Perfect. Why you are getting this result? Because you have granted all the permissions that belongs to S3. Otherwise, the specific to the particular permission, you would get the result. So that's the only thing that I wanted to highlight with you, and hope you like the video. And if you are still facing any permission related issues, IAM related issues, just do comment on the video. I will definitely help you out with anything, and do subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.